Lower back pain affects millions of people worldwide, and in nearly 30% of cases, the sacroiliac joint is the source. Traditionally, SI joint fusion required open surgery with long recovery times and higher risks. Today, minimally invasive techniques offer a faster, more effective solution. Let's take a closer look. The Harvester SI fusion procedure begins with the patient positioned for surgery and the lower lumbar region sterilized and prepped. Fluoroscopy is used to visualize the sacroiliac joint and ensure precise placement. Next, the surgeon marks key anatomical landmarks using an outlet oblique fluoroscopic view to identify the entry points for the implants. A small incision, less than 2 centimeters, is made to insert the Jamshidi needle. Using fluoroscopic imaging, the needle is directed across the sacroiliac joint. The inner stylet is then removed, and a guide wire is advanced through the needle to maintain the correct trajectory. The Jamshidi needle is removed, leaving the guide wire in place. Next, sequential tissue dilators are used to create a pathway for implant placement. A final tissue protector is inserted to maintain access while minimizing soft tissue disruption. Now, the Harvester implant is carefully guided into position. Unlike traditional methods that require separate steps for drilling, tapping, and bone grafting, the Harvester device streamlines the process. As it advances, its unique open drill flutes collect the patient's own bone, storing it as graft material to enhance fusion. Once the implant is securely in place, the guide wire is removed and additional bone graft material may be added if needed. A second implant is placed approximately 8 millimeters from the first to optimize stability. Fluoroscopy confirms proper alignment, ensuring the implants provide long-term support. With this advanced minimally invasive technique, patients benefit from smaller incisions and reduced tissue damage, shorter surgery times, faster recovery, and improved long-term outcomes. By harvesting the patient's own bone during placement, the Harvester device enhances fusion success while minimizing additional surgical steps. The future of SI joint stabilization is here, offering a precise, efficient, and effective solution for chronic sacroiliac joint pain.